when you're expected to win, you get that little bit complacent where you think, I've got this in the bag.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
even if you train hard, but you come in with that mindset of, I've got this.
It can let you down.
But like overconfidently, it can ruin your performance.
Here we have Kenzie Watt's entrance. The big Scottish crowd. And they're here to roar him on. When you've got a good crowd behind you, the confidence that it can exude is just amazing.
Definitely the loudest in the room this evening.
All smiles in the corner. And here's Harvey on his entrance. You can't beat a bit of jungle to get the crowd going on an entrance walk, can you? As usual, Combat Academy have a great corner. Triple T, Gas and Cassandra is an amazing fighter, and he shows that his fighting experience really onto the kids at Combat Academy. They just exhume his confidence in the information that he gives.
Title. So let's welcome one more time in the blue corner, fighting out of Scottish fight cartel, Kenzie Watt!
Kenzie Watt is just an amazing fighter. I had the pleasure of refereeing him in Wales at the ICLs.
Fighting out of the Combat Academy,
just strong.
BOWER!
K1. K. 5 rounds of K1. Both lads letting go with the knee in that first exchange.
Kenzie straight out. Both boys are landing, but Kenzie's just straight in for it. It's nice.
Two knees in there. The referee didn't manage to see. It's great work on the inside.
There's some big shots being landed.
Circle your left, you're waiting for him.
A clash of the knees on the inside. It's a big right hand by Harvey. Kenzie responds with a fantastic time body knee. This is going to be a war.
Yeah, they're both landing really good shots.
Clean shots, fantastic.
Brilliant first round.
Hard to call. Both fighters seem to be almost exchanging simultaneously. One would land a good combination, finish with the knee. Both fighters definitely taking that opportunity to finish with the knee strike rather than create anything else in between. It's honing the knee. This is K1, K1, K1. And it's always a good point to finish it with the judges.
Yeah, I mean, I think Harvey was clean on the back foot and the front foot, and I liked Kenzie's non-stop pressure.
Non-stop pressure.
Yes, yes.
The left hooks there by Kenzie. He's dropped a beautiful combination. It's a beautiful right hand by Harvey.
Yeah, and the left leg on the end to finish.
Left
That's
hand.
nice from Kenzie.
And Kenzie's staying right in front of him. That pressure started to show on Harvey. Good right hand on the jump. And that's a beautiful knee.
It's lovely from Harvey on the back foot there. Beautiful knee. A beautiful
David, keep
knee.
your head up and let your hands go. David, you've got to let your hands go. Let your hands go. Nice.
Good front kick on the defence. Kenzie's really started to apply that pressure.
Yeah.
And the issue you have is Harvey's backing up under that pressure.
Yeah, I think Harvey's comfortable to sit back and walk him onto something.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
you know, try and be, I'd personally say, a little bit more technical. Whereas
Yes.
Kenzie's just in and he wants to beat him up.
He wants to be in the battle,
Yeah,
the war.
he wants the war.
He wants to engage in that fist fight, isn't he? It's and the Scottish crowd are definitely responding to that as well. We enter into the third round.
It's a nice left. Lovely.
Awesome jump, spinning kick. Landed nice and flush.
It's nice work from
Beautiful
Kenzie
knee
there
by
on the inside.
Kenzie.
Then.
He's applying more pressure this round.
I do think Harvey needs to be careful. He keeps putting his head down.
Yes.
He's going to get a knee to the head, I think.
There it is. There it is. I think it's just that ability to cope with the pressure.
Yeah.
Harvey fires back.
It's a nice head kick.
Amazing.
See, Harvey's landed on the back foot, but once he's landed, he needs to move.
He needs to
And
move,
that's where he's getting caught after he's landed.
It seems to be a response on the defence, and then he's almost sitting within range of the fighter, which invites the pressure, really.
Yeah.
There you go. What a finish to the round. You can't go wrong when you don't allow the fighter that time to rest and get in their corner before the round finishes, and you catch that knockdown.
I mean, Kenzie really impressed me that round with, you know,
It's
he's constantly, it's not even just the pressure, he's landing as well.
Landing, clean shots.
Clean
shots.
It's not like throw 4, land 1.
Yes.
He's landing pretty much every time.
Every
and
shot.
so is Harvey. But he's, like you said before, he's landing and then waiting, and then that's when he's getting caught.
Yeah, exactly that. He's not filling the gaps in the middle at all. And Kenzie's just upping the pressure again. I think he can smell the kill. Harvey just glancing towards his corner.
That's a better turn.
Better.
Move. That's what he needs to be doing. Land, move.
He needs to hold the centre of the ring in order to push this fighter back, because there's no way he's going to be able to get distance for those shots when the ropes are there to stop him. Harvey
This
still
is
has a
definitely a
defence.
Kenzie round.
Yeah, seems to be just withering from simply the amount of pressure that is been applied by Kenzie.
I mean, Harvey's still throwing, but he looks hurt to me.
He looks hurt.
Yeah.
Definitely. That brings an end to the fourth. Awesome round by Kenzie. Awesome. Just literally not allowing Harvey to get that long range distance at all.
It's not allowing him, even half a second to breathe.
And it almost showed on Harvey's face as he was in the corner of the ring that he can't create that answer.
Yeah.
Bit more urgency by Harvey this time. It's a beautiful right to the body. That's a beautiful knee by Harvey. Kenzie responds with the knee.
Lovely tee by Kenzie though.
Oh, it's a push down. It's a push down. As an experienced fighter, do you take the break after that?
Yeah.
This is good work by Harvey. Good covering after away from the knee as well. Oh, and he slipped one in. Okay, so he's on his third knockdown. If he goes down again, it's the end of the bout.
Yeah. It's a beautiful body kick then.
Beautiful body kick.
Beautiful knee by Harvey. He's still responding.
Oh, he's dropped 2 knees. Oh, and the referee's let it slide. He's let the 2 knees slide. Beautiful. Fantastic fight by both guys. I thought Harvey did well to see out the contest in the end, because that constant pressure and wearing down after you've taken those knockdowns takes some real heart to get through your rounds and still respond, and with clean techniques as well.
Yeah, like he didn't just carry on and be a punch bag.
Yeah.
He carried on and he still responded.
Definitely.
I mean,
Fighters getting checked down, swords coming in.
to take shots like that so consistently and to carry on is something he should be proud of himself for. He's a tough kid.
Definitely. argue with it. Can't really argue with it if the judges see it as. Can't really argue with it if the judges lean towards Kenzie in a favourable manner. That the amount of pressure, but he wasn't standing on top of his fighter's toes. He was letting go of the techniques in good range whilst still walking him down. Results are results.
This kickboxing contest was for the WKU British title. Ladies and gentlemen, after 5 rounds, the judges have reached a unanimous decision. To the winner, in the blue corner, Kenzie Ward!
A brilliant result for Scotland.
And a big round of applause, please, to his
definitely turned out today. And his coaches were just pressure, apply it, and he's responded with consistent pressure.
Yeah, I mean, he knows this. I mean, well, the cornerman seen it. He was hurt. Harvey's hurt. Go. And it worked. It worked.
Amazing.
I mean, with them knockdowns, it would have put Harvey 3 rounds down in total anyway. So
until we hit the ground.
Guys, from me and Alexis will be back for the Naomi Powis and Noah WKU World Kickboxing title, 5-2-minute rounds. Really looking forward to that.